Hello and thank you for watching today's video. Today I'll be showing you how to actually install Windows 11 but with all the requirements removed. So what you need is a Microsoft Windows 11 ISO. So on Windows 11 download. Then click on the download the Windows 11 button right here and use the disk image ISO for x64 devices. Select this, download now. And you can do the product language. For me, I'll just go English, United States. And then you can just click the 64-bit download button right here. And the other two you need is a Rufus. You want to hop on to Rufus. And then you download the Rufus 4.2.exe file over here. So after that they are done, you can open up Rufus. You'll bring to this interface, very similar. I got my USB here, and then I want to select the ISO, which is the Windows 11, and then you want to leave everything here default. You can change the name if you want. You can just name it Windows 11 or just Win11. Now click Start, and you see remove requirement for 4GB plus RAM, and of course you can also remove it for the Microsoft account. But I'll just leave it because I'm fine with using Microsoft account, but you can also do that as well. And then you can also create a local account with username if you would like. So do that, and now you will want to click OK. OK is fine. And just leave this to finish. Okay, now that's finished. So this is how you install Windows 11, but with the requirements removed. After 21 minutes. Oh god.